you on the road this morning with Krze. Remember, it's a lifestyle.
You was born for this, I'm moving it on for this. You're walking up, I like it so.
Yes.
Born for this, I love the way you're performing this. When you're whining, baby.
I want you guys to take a look to the sky right now. Take a look to the sky and tell me what's going on, Krze.
We're ready for the road.
Krze crew, we have some vehicles coming through on the left-hand side of the truck. Please make way for the vehicles to pass on the left-hand side of the truck, please. Just take a look around, make sure you're safe.